In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the screenshot toolbar to record your screen efficiently and effectively. Whether you're looking to create a tutorial, save a presentation, or simply capture what's happening on your screen, this simple feature on your Mac can be incredibly useful. Let's get started. First, you want to access the screenshot toolbar. To do this, press Shift, Command, and the number 5 on your keyboard all at the same time. This key combination will bring up the toolbar, which gives you several options for capturing your screen. Once you see the toolbar, you'll notice two icons related to recording your screen. You can either choose to record your entire screen or just a selected portion of it. If you want to capture everything happening on your display, go ahead and click the icon that says Record Entire Screen. Alternatively, if you only need a specific area, click on Record Selected Portion. This will allow you to adjust the capture frame to your liking by dragging the corners or edges. Before you hit record, it's important to check out the options available to you. This can be done by clicking on the Options button located on the toolbar. Within this menu, you can tweak a few settings to enhance your recording experience. You have the flexibility to choose where your recordings will be saved, so make sure it's set to a location that's easy for you to find later. If you plan on capturing audio during your screen recording, selecting a microphone from this menu is crucial. Also, if you're aiming for a more interactive experience, you might want to enable the option to show mouse clicks. This can be particularly useful for viewers who are following along with your actions. Now that you've set your options, let's move on to the fun part, actually recording. Simply click the record button to start capturing your screen. Go ahead and perform whatever task you need to record, whether it's delivering a presentation or demonstrating a process. Take your time, as there is no rush here. When you're ready to stop recording, it's just as straightforward. All you need to do is click the stop button in your menu bar. If you prefer a quick shortcut, you can also press Shift, Command, and the number 5 again to end your recording session. Once you stop the recording, your video will be automatically saved to the location you selected earlier. And that's it. You've successfully used the screenshot toolbar to record your screen. Now you can review your saved video and share it with others, or use it for your own reference. Hopefully you find this feature to be as versatile and convenient as many Mac users do.